Good morning. I hope you can see me and hear me well.
Yes, good morning.
Thank you for confirming. All right, then we can get directly started. We will start with some movement. So come and stand on your mat. Find yourself a standing position. And you start by shaking your body. Start to shake your body entirely, your legs, your arms, your shoulders, your hips. Shake, shake, shake. Give all your energy and strength. Last 30 seconds. Shake your entire body. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the center. Maintaining the distance between your feet. Interlock your fingers. Turn the palms out. Raise your arms up. Keep your elbows straight and shoulders down. We'll work on the calf muscles. Lift your heels up and down. We'll do 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keeping your hands interlocked. Exhaling, you bend forward from the right side. Coming to the center. Inhale, come back up from left. And then reversing the direction. Exhale, bend forward left. Inhale, coming out from right. Once again, exhale. Inhale, up. In the other direction, exhaling. Inhaling up. And then you release both your arms from the sides. Now, extend both your arms out and you start to swing your body left and right, tapping on your body. This tapping will stimulate your different organs, your liver and kidneys. So tap on the sides, on your stomach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, continue, 9, 10, and come to the center. Now we will do forward and backward bends. On your inhale, you will raise your arms up, arch your back nicely. Exhaling, bending forward, swing your arms behind. 20 of these. Inhale up and arch. Exhale, bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back center. Take a breath in and breathe out. Maintain the distance. Raise your left arm up. Exhaling, bend to the right side. Keep your chest open. Do not bend forward. Your left arm close to your left ear and elbow straight. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling center. Releasing the left arm. Now you raise your right arm up. Exhale and bend to the left side. Feeling the stretch on the right side of your body. Right palm facing down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling center, releasing the right arm. Now we will do some twist. You will extend both your arms out. On your exhale, you will bring your right palm to left toe, twisting from the waist, turning the neck up. Inhaling center, exhaling left palm to right toe. And center. We'll do 10 of these on each side. Let's start. Right to left. Center. Left to right. 1. Continue like this. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Come to the center, releasing your arms. Now do some squats. Point your toes away from the body. Bending your knees and squat down, keeping the spine straight, not leaning forward. And come back up. We'll do 15 of these. Let's begin. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 5 more. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Come to the center. Maintaining the distance between your feet, you turn yourself to the right side, both your feet pointing to the right. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Exhaling, you fold over the right leg, extending your arms behind your back. You can either stay here, or if you feel comfortable, fold over the right leg entirely. Wherever your comfort lies. Stay and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, lift yourself up. And now return to the left side. Breathing in, lengthening your spine. On your exhale, bend over the left leg as much as you can, keeping your arms extended behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, lift yourself up, releasing your arms. Now on your exhale, you bend your right knee, bring it close to the chest, hug it tight. Keep your spine straight, take the support if needed to maintain the balance. Inhale, you release your right leg. Exhale, bend the left knee. Inhaling, release. Now come and sit on your mat. We will now do some breathing exercises. Sit with your spine straight. We will begin with long exhales. Your hands either in your lap or on the knees, eyes very gently closed. Breathing in for 3 counts and out for 6. Breathe with me. Breathing in. 1, 2, 3. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in. 1, 2, 3. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue like this. A few more breaths on your own. You can increase or decrease the count as per your capacity. But keep your exhale about twice as long as your inhale. This will help calm down the nervous system, relaxing the muscles in your body. And when you maintain your attention more on the exhale, psychologically it helps developing an attitude of letting go. Letting go of things, of issues, of people that you need to let go of. come back to your regular breaths. I will now move on to Bhastrika, the heating pranayama. As the name suggests, it increases heat in the body, removing toxins, melting away the excess fat, improving our metabolism, and gives an instant boost of energy. You will bend your elbows by the side of your body, raising the arms up. You breathe in, and when you bring your arms down, you will forcefully breathe out through your nose. We will go for 20 strokes in the first round. Let's start. Arms by the side, breathing in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Eyes gently closed. Noticing the sensations in your head. Let's go for one last round, this time with 30 strokes. Remember to forcefully exhale. Arms by the side, breathing in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come back to the regular breaths. Feel the sensations in your body, taking a full breath in and breathing out. We will do one last breathing exercise, the balancing one, alternate nostril breathing. Bring your left hand in Chin Mudra, place it like this on your left knee, right hand in Vishnu, first two fingers at the base of your thumb. Closing your left nostril, inhale through the right. Once the inhalation is full, close your right, exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Continue like this on your own. Inhaling through one nostril until the inhalation is full. Exhaling out completely through the other. And then you reverse the direction of your breath. Keep your breath long and smooth. This will balance the nervous system, the sympathetic and parasympathetic sides of it. Do not rush the breath in and do not force it out. Keep it long and slow. You will finish the round by exhaling through your right nostril. Coming back to the regular breaths. And notice the feeling of your natural, spontaneous breath as it is. Just for a moment, keep your attention on it. Very gently you rub your palms together, creating the warmth. Cup your eyes. Slide them down. Thank you for your practice. Have a very beautiful day ahead. Lovely start into the week, and see you tomorrow.